Today I'm gonna show you how to shoot fast with NERF guns. This one here is a zombie flip furry, and to shoot fast with this one you will just hold in this. The first one is loaded, so be safe. So we will just hold this in and you will flip this. Are you ready? Hold it in and then I need to do it with the other hand. Okay. Yeah. And now it's empty. And then you shoo. Yeah. The next NERF gun is Elite Echo. Shoot fast, hang on. You will hold this in the whole time. Don't let it go. And you'll just pop, 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 okay? Yay! Woo! That's a workout. By the way, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to do something else, comment below. Bye!